Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making the area safe and verifying what you'll fix. Turn off the power, flip the breaker, or remove batteries, because electricity and delicate parts don't mix. Once done, identify the button type and gather tools, a small screwdriver set, a multimeter to check continuity, and cotton swabs for cleaning. Make sure you have a tray for screws so nothing gets lost. You'll move faster if everything is ready and the device is inert, which prevents accidental shorts and missteps. You next open the device methodically and look for the root cause. Carefully remove housing screws and separate panels, noting ribbon cable orientation and connector clips. Photograph positions if needed. Once exposed, use the multimeter on continuity mode to test the switch while actuating it to detect intermittent contact. While probing, inspect the area for debris, corrosion, or a cracked actuator. These explain sticking or failure. If you find grime or rust, you'll clean. If contacts are worn, you'll now make the fix and confirm success. Clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, and a swab gently scrape light corrosion with a fiberglass pen and replace any visibly damaged switch or actuator. Reassemble in the reverse order, seating ribbon cables and connectors correctly and tightening screws without over-tightening. Once done, restore power and test the button through multiple cycles to verify reliability. If it still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: swap in a known good switch to isolate whether the problem is the button or the circuit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.